Sorry guys, one thing I forgot to mention about this video. Um, I had forgot to talk about this thing we call this little rule that you'll be hearing it pretty often with regards to these reactions, and a couple that you'll learn later on. And it has to do with a concept called regio selectivity. All right, regio for the position and selectivity because the reaction is selective for some specific spot. All right, so if we look at all of these reactions and look at where our group of interest, such as the halide or our ROH group, adds, it's always adding to the more substituted carbon, right? Always the more substituted carbon. And so when we describe reactions in terms of adding to a more substituted location, it follows a rule called Markovnikov's rule. All right, and so this simply states that when the reaction proceeds, our nucleophile, like the halide or our ROH group, will add to the more substituted carbon. There will be reactions in the future that will add to the least substituted carbons that you'll see in the next video, and so some of them follow an anti-Markovnikov rule. They add to the less substituted carbon. Okay, so I just wanted to quickly mention that because it'll be terminology I will be using in the future videos that you'll hear TAs use and that you'll definitely see in a lecture. And so yeah, I hope that made sense. I know I kind of quickly introduced it and I forgot to introduce it in the last video, so I'm sorry for that. And so if this doesn't make much sense, please feel free to email me. I can always make a clarification video or explain it to you through the email. And as always, go to the CLC for any questions. There's a bunch of hours for them, right? And so your exam is coming up, so don't slack on going and asking for help. And I will see you guys in the next video.